Welcome to our channel. Today, we join into the realm of the ancient horseshoe crab, a creature that's roamed the earth for over 450 million years. Known for their unique blue blood, vital in modern medicine, these prehistoric marvels play an important role in our health. How are millions of these extraordinary creatures harvested each year? Stay tuned as we unveil the incredible process behind this vital industry and explore why their survival is essential for the future of science and medicine. Horseshoe crabs are ancient marine arthropods distinguished by their unique anatomical features and physiological adaptations. The carapace or hard shell covers the front part of the body, providing essential protection against predators and environmental hazards. This dome-shaped shell is notably horseshoe-shaped, lending the species its common name. Extending from the rear of the body is the telson, a long pointed tail spine used primarily for riding themselves if flipped over and for steering while swimming. Underneath the carapace, horseshoe crabs have 5 pairs of legs, with the first pair called chelicerae, used for handling food. The next 4 pairs are used for walking and feeding, with the first pair of these modified in males to grasp females during mating. At the base of these legs are gnathobases, structures that act like jaws to crush and grind food. Horseshoe crabs are found in coastal and estuarine environments, thriving in shallow, sandy, and muddy substrates where they can easily burrow and search for food. This animal feed on a variety of benthic organisms, including worms, mollusks, and small crustaceans. They are often found in intertidal zones where they can move with the tides to find food and breeding grounds. High tides are especially important during the breeding season. Horseshoe crabs exhibit unique and fascinating mating behaviors. During the breeding season, which typically occurs in the spring and summer, adult horseshoe crabs undertake a migration. This migration is timed to coincide with the highest tides, often around the full and new moons. The crabs move from deeper ocean waters to shallow coastal areas and sandy beaches. Upon reaching the breeding grounds, males generally arrive first and wait for the females. As the females approach, males use their specialized front appendages, known as pedipalps, to grasp onto the back of the females. Interestingly, it is common to see multiple males clustering around a single female, each attempting to fertilize her eggs. This competitive behavior increases the chances of successful reproduction. The female horseshoe crab, once coupled with a male, moves to the high tide line where she digs a shallow nest in the sand. She then lays thousands of small greenish eggs into the nest. After the eggs are laid and fertilized, they are covered with sand by the female. The eggs incubate in this protective environment for about 2 weeks. Once the incubation period is over, the eggs hatch into larvae, which resemble miniature adults but without the long tail spine or telson. These larvae will remain in the sand for a short period before making their way to the water. Scientists have also developed methods for artificially fertilization horseshoe crabs to maintain their population in response to overharvesting. First, healthy adult horseshoe crabs are chosen. Then, researchers extract eggs directly from females and mix the collected eggs with sperm from males. The larvae are then maintained in specialized tanks. Laboratory technicians transfer developing juveniles to larger tanks or protected outdoor areas, continuing to feed and monitor their growth. When people think of horseshoe crabs, their minds often jump to the unique and costly properties of their blood, which have significant medical applications. Horseshoe crab blood is blue due to hemocyanin, a copper-based molecule that carries oxygen, unlike the iron-based hemoglobin in human blood. The blood also contains amoebocytes, a type of white blood cell that plays a crucial role in the horseshoe crab's immune system. Amoebocytes release a clotting factor that forms a gel-like substance when they come into contact with bacterial endotoxins, effectively trapping and neutralizing them. The most critical application of horseshoe crab blood is in the limulus amoebocyte lysate, or LAL test. The LAL test is crucial for detecting bacterial endotoxins, known for their harmful effects even at low levels. It offers high sensitivity, detecting minute amounts of endotoxins, and reliability, ensuring the safety of medical products such as intravenous drugs, vaccines, and medical devices that contact human blood. The test's global use by pharmaceutical and medical companies, mandated by regulatory bodies like the FDA, drives its demand. To get the rare blood of horseshoe crabs, those in charge must carry out this process very carefully. First, horseshoe crabs are transported to specialized laboratories or medical facilities under cool and moist conditions to minimize stress and injury. Once at the facility, the crabs are carefully restrained, and a special needle is used to draw blood from a large vein near their tail. Approximately 30% of their blood is extracted and collected into containers. After the procedure, the crabs are cared for and returned to their natural habitat, although there is a mortality rate of 10% to 30%. To help them recover, they are often provided with food and fresh water. Beyond its invaluable medical applications, horseshoe crab is also known for its culinary uses, particularly in certain Asian cuisines. The meat, especially the raw eggs, is considered a delicacy in several countries. In Thailand, spicy horseshoe crab roe salad is one of the most popular dishes in Thailand, featuring horseshoe crab. The salad includes fresh vegetables, herbs, and a spicy, tangy dressing, with horseshoe crab roe as the star ingredient. The roe adds a distinctive flavor and texture that is highly appreciated by locals and tourists alike. Grilled horseshoe crab is a unique culinary preparation that highlights the natural flavors and textures of this marine delicacy. The crabs are grilled over an open flame or on a hot grill, which imparts a smoke flavor and caramelizes the outer layer of grilled horseshoe crab is typically served hot and fresh off the grill. It can be enjoyed on its own as a flavorful appetizer or main dish. The meat is often tender and juicy, with a mild seafood flavor that pairs well with various side dishes and condiments. From their unique biology and fascinating mating rituals to their invaluable contribution through the LAL test in medicine, horseshoe crabs continue to intrigue and inspire. Join us in appreciating these remarkable creatures and advocating for their preservation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to stay tuned for more insights into our natural world. Thank you for watching.